Hello y'all, welcome back. This is Day again. I'm making this follow-up video after I just shot about an hour worth of content that I'm going to have to shift through and edit and whatnot. So I'm going to just try and make this video real quick and put it up there so that I can put it up on YouTube so that I can listen to it and see what the video looks like from the outside looking in. Again, this is going to be a passion hobby of mine. I want to make this channel to tell stories, whether it's bike related or not, motorcycle related or not. I'm kind of leaning on the idea of doing Reddit stories while I'm writing, so it would allow me to kind of put a script together and just tell a good story while showing some relaxing writing, you know, just giving you guys a motorcycle point of view while giving you guys some good content to listen to. That could also just double as a podcast. And I'm pretty much open to anything. If you guys want to listen to freaking murder mystery, or just am I the a-hole on Reddit stories or whatever, or hell, even video game topics, I'm definitely down for video game topics. I am a very avid video gamer. Right now I am primarily playing Destiny 2, the Witch Queen expansion. I just finished wrapping that up a few weeks ago, and I'm kind of catching up as a year 2 player returning. I did leave the game for a little while, especially when I decided I was going to be a progressive raider on WoW Classic, and I have tons of stories to tell. Obviously I don't want to tell every single story in one video, because one, that would be way too long. Second, that would make me run out of ideas pretty quickly, to be honest. I don't know why people just don't pull off to the side there like it's intended to be used. Sorry for that little tangent. Again, this is just a follow-up video. I would really like some equipment feedback from you guys. If the audio is too, if the wind noise is too much or whatnot, if the video quality is poor, let me know in the comments so that I can take care of it. Try some different mic positions and whatnot, so that you guys can get some pretty entertaining videos. I really do appreciate any feedback you guys give me today, as I am getting pretty close to home and the weather is looking pretty bad. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off once I get up to this next intersection. So again, I appreciate it. Please give me some feedback. I look forward to you guys getting to know me and spending time with you guys. This is Day signing out, video 2. Thank you, and check me out again, and be waiting for the next video.